Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will explain element of account standard 12 chapter 2 final account of a partnership. In previous lecture we already completed our illustration number 1 to 8. Let us start today illustration number 9. Mahi and Rahi are partners sharing profit loss in proportion of 6:4. From the given trial balance dated 31st March 2017 and adjustments prepare final account of partnership firm. Here trial balance is given. Debit balance, trial balance of partnership firm of Mahi and Rahi as on 31st March 2017. Debit balance amount, credit balance amount. Drawing Mahi 3000, Rahi 2000, total 5000. Opening stock 1750, purchase 1,38,750, traveling expense Rahi 3000, salesman's 5250, salary accountant 2500, collection clerk 1250, shop rent 900, debtors 5000, carriage goods 7500, advertisement expense 10,000, prepaid rent of a shop. Here in bracket date is given 1/4/2016. It means prepaid rent of a shop 1/4/2016. Here when in the bracket some information is there, then it is called hidden adjustment. 75 rupees prepaid. Discount and allowance 4,250. Donation expense 10,000. Income tax 12,500. Professional tax 125. Bank overdraft interest 6,000, bank commission 250, share of SBI 500, fixed asset 1,250, fixed asset maintenance 500, cash balance 450 and goodwill 25,000. So here total of a debit is 2,41,800 and credit side we have to write Mahi capital account of Mahi 20,000, Rahi 12,500, sales 2 lakh, purchase return 1,250, discount and allowance 1,250, dividend on share of SBI 50, bank account 3,000, creditors 1,250 and loan borrowed from friend 2,500. This way all the information is given. Here some expenses are there and some incomes are there, and purchase related expense, if a purchase related expense is there, then we have to write in a trading account. In trading account debit side we write purchase, and if any purchase return is there, then we minus this amount from purchase, and afterward all the purchase related expenses and goods gone by anyway, then also we write in a purchase trading account debit side. Afterward credit side there is a sales and minus sales return is there, and credit side another thing is a closing stock. This way we complete our trading account. So first we have to find out all the information which connected with the trading account, which connected with the profit and loss account, and which connected with the balance sheet. This way we specify this. Afterward some adjustments are there. First adjustment, provide 12% interest on capital of partners and 5% on drawing. Capital and drawing is already given in trial balance and on this amount we have to calculate 12% interest on capital and 5% interest on drawing. Second adjustment, 3% commission on sales is payable to Mahi. Here commission payable to Mahi and its percentage is 3%. Every month rupees 300 payable to Rahi for traveling expense done for business. Rahi is traveling for the business purpose, and so every month 300 payable to Rahi. Rupees 50 interest is outstanding on loan of friend. Loan's friend is there and 50 rupees interest is outstanding. Shop rent is paid for 12 months for the year ending 30 April 2017, because for the shop rent also one hidden adjustment is there. Provide 20% depreciation on fixed asset. If fixed assets are there, then we have to calculate 20% depreciation on them. there is doubtful recovery is rupees 250. Bad debt is there, and now bad debt recoverable is there. Recovery is there, so rupees 250. Closing stock 19,025. For closing stock, a simple amount is given, so there is no calculation. But if there is a capital and drawing interest is there, then capital interest is a expense for the partnership firm, and so we have to write profit and loss appropriation account debit side. And if there is a profit and loss account, then also we have to write the debit side. And second entry we have to write balance sheet capital and liability side. Interest on drawing is also we have to add in drawing plus interest on drawing, and this both the amount we have to minus from the capital plus net profit, and afterward minus drawing and interest on drawing. Afterwards, second adjustment, 3% commission on sales is payable to Mahi. It's a payable means liability is there. One entry we have to write profit and loss appropriation account, and second entry we have to write it is a liability, so balance sheet liability side. Now third adjustment, every month rupees 300 payable to Rahi for traveling expense done for business. Now Rahi is the partner, and for business purpose he travel, and so rupees 300 payable to Rahi for every month. So we know that in one year there are 12 months are there. So 12 into 300. So total amount is 3,600. Now rupees 50 interest is outstanding. When outstanding is there, it is a liability, and it is a interest on loan. So interest on loan plus outstanding interest on loan we have to add here in profit and loss account debit side. SOP rent is paid for 12 months for the year ending 30 April. Here already SOP rent is given, and afterward prepaid SOP rent is also there. And when there is a prepaid is there, we know that when there is a prepaid is there, then we have to minus from the particular expense. And second entry we have to write it is our asset, so balance it asset side. Provide 20% depreciation on fixed assets minus 20% amount we have to write as a depreciation. Now seventh one, there is a doubtful recovery of 250. This bad debt reserve is there, bad debt recovery is there. Bad debt already it is our loss, but now it is recovered, so it is a income for the partnership firm. And so profit and loss appropriation account credit side we have profit and loss credit side we have to write. And second entry it is our asset, so we write in a balance sheet asset side. And closing stock trading account credit side. This way our all the adjustments are there. Now if there is any calculation is there, then first we complete the calculation. First note, outstanding SOP rent as per the trial balance it is 900, because we know that it is a 900 paid in previous year of a current year. Previous years are there 1/4/2016 and it is 75. So add this because it is a previous year. So 975 minus paid in current year of next year 34/2017. 34/2017 paid in current year of in this year they paid, but for the next year. So minus this amount 75. How we get the 1 month SOP rent? 900 divided by 12, because we know in 1 year there are 12 months are there. So 900 divided by 12, then we get 1 month's SOP rent is 75. And so 1 month's paid here, previous years in current year. So add this amount, and paid in current year, but it is for next year. So minus this because it is a prepaid and it is outstanding. So this way 900 rupees we get. Income tax is expense for the partnership firm, thus disclosed at the debit side of profit and loss account, because it is a expense for the partnership firm. Now we prepare the trial balance. From the trial balance we prepare the trading account. Trading account of partnership firm of Mahi and Rahi for year ending 31st March 2017. Debit side particular an amount, credit side also particular an amount. T type account is there. To opening stock is given 1750. To purchase 1,38,750 minus purchase return 1,250. When minus this amount, then it get 1,37,500. To carriage goods 7,500 because it is a carriage inward is there. To profit and loss account, gross profit. Afterward we get first buy sales 2 lakh and closing stock 19,025. Total of this both 2,19,025. And difference of credit side is greater than debit side. So total of debit side minus from the credit side, then difference amount we get 72,275 and it is a gross profit. Now we know from the trading account gross profit we transfer in profit and loss account. So next our account is profit and loss account of partnership firm of Mahi and Rahi for year ending 31st March 2017. Debit side particular amount. Administrative expenses to salary of account 2,500, to professional tax 125, to shop rent 900 plus prepaid of 2017. 2017's shop rent we paid on 1st April 2016. So it is a 75. 975 minus prepaid of 2018. 1/4/2017 we paid for 2000 for the next year. So we minus this amount. So outer column 900 is there. Sales distribution expense to salary to collection clerk 1,250. Advertisement expense 10,000. Salesman traveling expense. Here it is given 5,250. Discount allowance 4,250. Bank overdraft interest 6,000. Bank commission 250. To fixed asset maintenance 500. To outstanding interest on loan of friend 50. To donation expense 10,000. Depreciation of fixed asset 250. Bad debt reserve 250. To income tax 12,500. Profit and loss appropriation account afterward. First we write by trading account gross profit 72,275 to by discount allowance because it is a income, and 1,250 by dividend on share of SBI. It is also income on share investment. So this way credit side of a profit and loss account is 73,575 and credit side is greater than debit side. So difference amount with 19,500 we have to write here, and it transfer to profit and loss appropriation account because it is a net profit. Now third our account is profit and loss appropriation account. We know that transaction between partnership firm and partners, transaction between partnership firm and partner we write here in profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account of partnership firm of Mahi and Rahi for year ending 31st March 2017. Particular amount debit side, particular amount credit side. Interest on capital Mahi 2,400 and Rahi 1,500. It is given in our adjustment that 12% interest on capital, so we calculate this way and write outer side 3,900. To traveling expense Rahi 3,000 and plus outstanding 600, outer column 3,600. How we calculate? Because for 1 month it is 300, so 12 into 300, so total is a 3,600. But in here it is given 3,000, it means outstanding 600 is remain, and this outstanding we transfer in a balance sheet. Mahi's commission account 3% 6,000 rupees to part and profit and loss account net profit transfer from profit and loss account we write here 19,500. Interest on drawing Mahi 150 and Rahi 100, total 250. So credit side of profit and loss appropriation account is 19,750 and debit side's total, credit side's total is greater than debit side, and so we transfer here and write 6,250 to partners capital account divisible profit. Mahi 3,750 and Rahi 2,500, total 6,250. Partners capital account, drawing account 3,000 Mahi, 2,000 Rahi. Interest on drawing 150 and 100, we transfer this amount from profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account credit side, then a partners capital account debit side, and profit and loss appropriation account debit side, then partners capital account credit side. Balance brought down 20,000 and 12,500, by interest on capital 2,400 and 1,500, by traveling expense 600, by commission account 6,000, and profit and loss appropriation account divisible profit 3,750 and 2,500. It is given here in a profit and loss appropriation account this way, 3,750 and 2,500. This we write individually on Mahi and Rahi's account. Now, here total of a credit side of a Mahi is 32,150 and Rahi's 17,100. Mahi's credit side 32,150 and debit side 3,150. So difference when we minus debit side minus from credit side, then difference we find out 29,000, and it is balance carried down. This balance we transfer in balance sheet partners capital as a capital. Now here Rahi 17,100 and 2,100 minus, then we get 15,000 rupees, and it is balance carried down. So now we transfer this all the both the amount in balancing. Now we prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet of partnership form of Mahi and Rahi as on 31st March 2017. Capital and liability side, capital account Mahi 29,000 and Rahi 15,000. We transfer this from partners capital account. Non-current liability, loan borrowed from friend 2,500. It is also our liability. Partnership forms liability because they borrow the loan from the friend. Current liability, bank account 3,000, creditors 1,250, interest outstanding of a friend's loan. Outstanding is there, then it is also liability, 50 rupees. Non-current asset is not given. Fixed asset, tangible asset, fixed asset 1,250 minus depreciation 250. Outer column we have to write 1,000. Intangible asset, goodwill 25,000. Investment, share of SBI 500. Current asset, closing stock 19,025. Debtors 5,000. And bad debt reserve as per adjustment 250 minus, so 4,750. Cash balance 450 and prepaid rent 75. Total of both the side is 50,800. Capital and liability side and asset side. This way our illustration number 9 is over. Now let us start illustration number 10. Following are the annual account of partnership form of a Labh and Shubh. Here two partners are there, Labh and Shubh, and their accounts are given. Profit and loss account of partnership form of a Labh and Shubh is on 31st March 2017. Directly they give profit and loss account. Cost of goods sold 1,16,000, office expense 20,000, sales expense 16,000, financial expense 4,000, sundry expense 4,000. Partners capital account net profit Labh 22,800, Shubh 15,200. Sales 1,96,000 and sundry income 2,000. It means here profit and loss account is given. Now balance sheet of partnership form of Labh and Shubh as on 31st March 2000. Capital Labh 40,000, net profit 22,800 minus drawing 12,000, Shubh 30,000 plus net profit 15,200 minus drawing then 45,200 minus drawing 6,000, then outer column 39,200. Liability 8,000 and suspense account 2,000. Here non-current asset is not good. Tangible asset, fixed asset 60,000, investment 12,000 and current asset with debtors 28,000. Total of 1 lakh and here also 1 lakh. After preparation of annual account, the following adjustments are reported. This is the question part, and after preparation of a full profit and loss account and balance sheet, they find out some adjustment here. First one, 5% interest on capital is not calculated. Interest on capital is not calculated. 10% depreciation on fixed asset is to be provided. And prepaid rent is rupees 200. Interest on investment is not received rupees 400. Maintain bad debt reserve of rupees 600. Total of sales book is undercast. When there is a undercast means sales books value less value they calculate by rupees 2000. Purchase of rupees 800 is not recorded in the books. Write the adjustment entries and prepare revised final account from the above information. So first of all, we write the all adjustment. Interest on capital account debit 3500 to Labs capital 2000 and Subs capital 1500, being 5% interest on capital is charged to partners. Depreciation account debit 6000 to fixed asset 6000, being depreciation is charged 10% on fixed asset, because we know that depreciation is an expense on the depreciation account debit and it is for the assets, so fixed asset account. Prepaid rent, prepaid always debit. Prepaid account debit to rent account, being prepaid rent is adjusted. Outstanding interest on investment debit 400 to interest on investment 400. Profit and loss account debit 600 to bad debt reserve 600. Suspense account debit 2000 to sales account 2000. Purchase account debit 800 to creditors account 800. This way all the adjustment entry passed. Now trading account, revised trading account. Cost of goods sold 1,16,000 plus unrecorded purchase 1,800. So 1,16,800. Afterwards sales 1,96,000 plus from suspense account 2,000. Total 1,98,000. 1,98,000 minus 1,16,800. So difference amount we find out 81,200. And this 81,200 is called gross profit. And this gross profit we transfer to profit and loss account. So let us start. Revised profit and loss account of partnership firm of Labh and Subh for year ending on 31st March 2017. Debit side particular amount, credit side particular amount. Office expense 20,000 minus prepaid rent 200, outer column 19,800. Prepaid always minus, outstanding always plus. To sales expense 16,000, to financial expense 4,000, sundry expense 4,000, depreciation on fixed assets 6,000, to bad debt reserve 600. Trading account gross profit 81,200, sundry income 2,000, by interest on investment 400, total 83,600. And here difference, credit side is greater than the debit side. So difference amount we write here 33,200 to profit and loss appropriation account net profit. So this way 83,600 is the revised profit and loss appropriation account of partnership firm of Labh and Subh for year ending 31st March 2017. Profit and loss appropriation account we prepare when there is a transaction between partner and partnership firm. So here debit side particular amount, credit side also particular amount. To interest on partners capital, Labh 2000, Subh 1500, total 3500. To partners capital account divisible profit. To profit and loss net profit 33,200. Credit side 33,200 and debit side 3,500. Credits from credit side, debit side minus 3,500. Then different amount we get 29,700. And this divisible profit we distribute as per the profit and loss sharing ratio. Labh 17,820 and Subh 11,880. Now we prepare the partners capital account. Partners capital account by balance brought down 40,000, 30,000, interest on capital 1,500. Drawing account 12,000 and 6,000 to balance carried down after by profit and loss appropriation account divisible profit 17,820 and 11,880. Credit side of Labh is 59,820 and debit side it is 12,000. 59,820 minus 12,000, then different amount we find out 47,820. And now for Subh credit side of SUB is a 43,380 and debit side 6,000. 43,380 minus 6,000, then we get the difference amount 37,380, and this amount we transfer in a balance sheet as a capital. So capital account, balance sheet of partnership firm of Labh and SUB on 31st March 2017. Capital and liability amount, asset and debts amount. Capital, Labh 47,820, SUB 37,380. Liability 8,000. Unrecorded purchase 800. Total is 94,000. Non-current asset, fixed asset 60,000 minus depreciation 10% 6,000. Outer column 54,000. Investment 12,000. Current asset 28,000 minus bad debt reserve 600. Outer column 27,400. Interest outstanding on investment 400. Prepaid rent 200, because prepaid rent is there, then it is an asset for our business unit. Total of sales book is undercast. When there is undercast, then always add, and overcast then always minus. This is the rule. And so when undercast, it means we write the less amount, so now we have to write, and so add this amount. Thus it is added to the sales and debited to suspense account. Consequently, sales would be increased by rupees 2,000 and suspense account will be closed. Old profit saved by partner Labh and SUB is 22,800 and 15,200 respectively. So total profit is 38,000. Proportion will be determined as follows. How we calculate the ratio? This way, 22,800 upon all 38,000 into 100 means 60% and 40%. 60% and 40% means 3:2 ratio. So Labh and SUB would get in the proportion 3:2 divisible profit is calculated as per this proportion. Revised divisible profit 29,700 will be said as follows. 29,700 into 3 by 5. So 17,820 and 29,700 into 2 by 5 means 11,880. This way we completed here our all the illustration given in our textbook in chapter number 2, final account to partnership. And now tomorrow onwards we start our exercise practical all the sums. Thank you very much.